This is DIMO DITEC DT-RH26 Rotary Hammer. Today shall we look into this drill machine, how to work with it and is it worth to buy. If you stay with this video you can learn all the things you need to know before buying it. First of all, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay with SetNFix. This rotary hammer drill is coming with a nice cardboard box. Most of details are printed on the box. The input power of this drill is 900 watts and you can use this for woods, steel and concrete. We can take the drill casing out from the plastic box. It is with a nice casing. Let's open the casing. Once it is opened, you can see use manual. We can read it later. This is concrete breaking bit. You can use this to make a hole on a wall due to the sharp head. And this is a concrete drilling bit with 8 mm, however you can drill stones as well. You can use this bit to break rocks, concrete using the flat head. This is very powerful. And these are other drilling bits with 12 mm and 10 mm. You can use those bits to drill concrete and stones as well. Finally you can see the drilling machine. This is intended for hammer drilling in concrete, brick and stone as well as for light chiseling works. It is also suitable for drilling without impact in wood, metal, ceramic and plastic. The machine with electronic control and right/left rotation are also suitable for screw driving and thread cutting. Operate this machine only with this auxiliary handle. You can lose the handle counterclockwise direction and adjust the handle to the required working position. This is depth gauge. You can measure the required depth using this. Press the button in the auxiliary handle and insert the depth gauge. And this rubber circle is a dust cover. When you rotate the selection switch, you must press the red button. This mode is drilling mode. In this mode you can drill steel or wood. And also you can use as a screwdriver or cutting thread. This is hammer drilling. In this mode you can drill concrete and stone. If you mode to the hammer mode, you can use it for chiseling. In order to chisel, you have to change bit. There are 2 bits given with his free. But you can see when you insert the flat head bit, you cannot rotate it. If you want to rotate the bit, you have to change the selection switch into the location between hammer drill and hammer mode. That is adjusting position. Then you can rotate the bit. Once you rotate into the required position, you can change the switch into hammer mode and use with your intention. This switch is used for changing the rotation direction. This button can be used to lock the drill switch. If you want to keep the drill on, press the switch and press this black button. To unlock the switch, press again the same button. You normally know how to drill woods and steels. But the important part is drilling stones. I will show you how to drill it and is it possible to do with this hammer drill. You can see, it is able to drill stones or rocks without an effort. When you think to buy a drill, think which one is the most suitable, the hammer drill or impact drill. If you learn things from this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next video, be innovative and stay with SetNFix.